Hey Sean, what are you doing?
Nothing. Just watching Mr. Clinch's announcements. The cool one who uses a lawn tractor.
Hey, we have a lawn tractor. I'll show you. Well, who would have known that there was a flat tire? Great job, Sean. That tire's good as new. I'm just gonna get my ear protection here, and then I'll be ready to join you. On a serious note, this message goes out to the chess team, everybody that's playing in our chess tournament. You were sent an email. Please make sure you read your email, understand the instructions so that we can begin playing. It's crucial that you recognize who your first opponent is and reach out to that person via email through the chess.com app so that we can get the tournament started. Thanks everybody and have a great day.